Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator? This is 16 power 6 minus 16 power 5. Now, let's start by expressing this 6 here as summation of 5 plus 1. So we have 16 power 5 plus 1 minus 16 power 5. Now, if you have a power x plus y, this equals a power x times a power y. So applying this right here, we have 16 power 5 times 16 power 1 minus 16 power 5. So we can factor out the 16 power 5 because it's common. Now the next thing we are going to do is to factor it out. So we have 16 power 5 times this divided 16 power 5, we have 16 minus 16 power 5 divided 16 power 5, we have 1. So right now we are going to have 16 power 5 times 16 minus 1. This is 15. So from here, we need to find the value of 16 power 5 times 15. So we can express 16 as 4 to the power of 2 or 2 to the power of 4. So 16 is 2 to the power of 4. We have 2 to the power of 4, that is 16, to the power of 5 times 15. And by multiplying this exponent, we have 2 power 20 times 15. And 2 to the power of 20 is simply, this is 2 to the power of 10 times 2 times 15. And this is 2 to the power of 10 raised to the power of 2. Remember, if you have a power x times y equals a power x to the power of y. So that means this is 2 to the power of 10 to the power of 2 times 15. And from here, 2 to the power of 10 is just 2 to the power of 5 times 2, which is the same thing as having 2 to the power of 5 to the power of 2, which is just like having 32 power 2 because 2 to the power of 5 is 32, which is the same thing as having 32 times 32, which will give you 1024. That is 32 power 2, that is 2 to the power of 10. So now that means we are going to raise it to the power of 2. That means we have 1024 power 2 times 15. So to expand this, I can express 1024 as 1000 times plus 24. This is 1000 plus 24 to the power of 2 times 15. Now, let's expand this, and to expand this, consider this identity. If you have a plus b to the power of 2, this equals a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab. And in this case, 1000 is my a, 24 is my b. So that means I'm going to have 1000 squared plus 24 squared plus 2 times 1000 times 24, and everything here will multiply what? 15. So 1000 squared here will give us 1 million. This is 576. This is 48,000. And this will multiply 15. So next step will be to add up this. So if you add 1 million to 576 to 48,000, this will give you 1 million. 48,576, and this will then multiply 15. So let's carry out the multiplication. 1048,576 times 15. So we start with 5 times 6, 30. 0 carry over 3. 5 times 7, 35. Plus 3, 38. 8 carry over 3. 5 times 5. 25 plus 3, 28. 8 carry over 2. 5 times 8. 40 plus 2, 42. 2 carry over 4. 5 times 4. 20 plus 4, 24. 4 carry over 2. 5 times 0, 0. 0 plus 2. We have 2. 5 times 1. We have 5. Now let's go ahead and make use of 1. 1 times 6. We have 6. 1 times 7. We have 7. 1 times 5. We have 5. 1 times 8. We have 8. 1 times 4. We have 4. 1 times 0. We have 0. 1 times 1. We have 1. So we add up this together. So this will give us 0. This is 14. 4 carry over 1 out here. This is 16. 6 carry over 1 out here. This is 8. This is 12. This is 7. This is 5. This is 1. So our answer is 15,728,640. This is our answer for 16 to the power of 6 minus 16 to the power of 5. 15,728,640. If you consider writing 16 as 2 power 4, power 6 minus this is 2 power 4, power 5, this will still give you the same thing, 15,728,640. If you multiply this exponent, that means you have 2 power 24 minus 2 power 20. This will also give you 15,728,640. And we have achieved all this without the use of calculator. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. I really appreciate that. Thank you and goodbye.